Debugging your CI/CD workflow is super easy with Semaphore once you have the CLI tools installed. So once you have an active workflow like this one over here, what you can do is just click on a job, and then what's going to happen, you'll be able to see the job logs, and you can click on the CLI tab and you will get some commands available. So these commands give you the ability to stop a job, set up port forwarding, and describe the job itself. And you also have the SSH attach tab as well. Now, if we want to inspect the state of a running job, we can use the sam attach command. And we can just copy the job ID that we have over here. So we can just copy paste this and we can run the command. And we are attached ourselves to the current active running job. And here we can, for instance, open up top and check how much resources we are currently using. And you can also trigger commands as well. Now, if you want to quit our session, we just exit it and then the session gets terminated. The next thing we can also do is set up port forwarding. So we can just copy the port forward command, run it on our local computer, and port forwarding is automatically set up for you. Now this allows you to, for instance, inspect active workflows. So if you have Cypress or something similar that runs tests in a browser, you can actually open up the browser locally and see what is going on. Now, last but not least, if we want to restart the job in debug mode, you can see that this job over here just finished. What you can do is click on the SSH debug tab and just copy this command and run it. And what's going to happen, Semaphore is going to establish a debug job for you, and you also get some commands that you can use as well. So you can just run all of the commands in your job using this, or you can actively edit them and check them out. Now this allows you to debug your job. So make sure you check out the documentation for this and try Semaphore out.